You got POL's truck, Performance Online.
They'll be happy to hear that. They're helping us out with the front suspension on the project JPS Camaro.
Yeah, so we just Edelbrock just gave us a fuel injection for the LS ProFlow 4. So it's a new system we're putting on the truck with the LS motor and seeing how this goes. And we're just about there. It's really cool looking design. I mean, it's almost like a drag car look injection, but it's pretty much bolt on. You get all the wiring and everything that goes with it too. So we had to make a new intake system. So we're just finishing up the details on this right now. Handheld tune, self-tuning, so it's pretty cool. So now we've got Performance Online's 66 Nova that was in a nice big accident, so we're finishing up. I'm going to put an LS motor with a 5-speed trans. We've got the Heights front end subframe going in. So we're just about got all the dents fixed. So that's all coming together now. And this car and the 63 Biscayne next to us should be at cruising for a cure this September. So we'll see. But this is a really cool color combination. It's like a candy orange with it's almost like a gray metallic Chevy truck color. I'm not sure what they call that color, but paint really came out good. So.
And who do you use for your paint? Where do you send the cars for paint?
Use Johnny's Auto Color and Body Works in Riverside. He's Riverside Corona. He's right on the border. So he's been doing all of my cars, and usually turnaround time's 2, maybe 3 months if it's really bad. But he gets them out pretty good. He's got good quality guys working with him. So this one, 63 Biscayne, Eddy Motorsports, front pulley system, wheelwood brakes, POL's suspension and disc brake setup on this car too. We've got a built 383, I believe, aluminum heads. So this would be a nice driver. We got Phytex fuel injection carburetor setup looking thing. That'll be cool. That's all electronic fuel injection. So this will be a nice runner too.